if you're experiencing low performance on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to enhance its performance. Follow this guide to optimize your console for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software to check for updates. Download and install any available updates to improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Manage storage space. Free up space on your console by deleting unused games and applications. Go to Settings, then Storage, and review your installed games. Remove any that you no longer play to improve loading times and overall performance. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Lower graphics settings or resolution in demanding games to reduce strain on the system. This can lead to smoother gameplay and improved frame rates. Step 4. Use a cooling stand. Consider using a cooling stand or fan to prevent overheating. Overheating can cause the console to throttle performance. Ensure your PS5 is in a well-ventilated area and not enclosed in a cabinet. Step 5. Rebuild database. Rebuilding the database can help improve performance by organizing data more efficiently. Turn off your PS5, then boot it in safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller and select the option to rebuild the database. By following these steps, you can enhance the performance of your PlayStation 5 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Regular maintenance and optimization can go a long way in keeping your console running at its best.